Welcome back to Pilates by Daniela. Today our focus is full body. All you'll need is a mat and optional ankle weights. Mine are 1 pound Bala Bangles. Let's get started. In 15 seconds, bear plank march. Base position, palms at the top of your mat, high plank. Bear plank march. Begin at the top of your mat with your palms at the top section of your mat and your toes behind you. Hips in line with your shoulders. Draw your navel to your spine. Inhale to prep. Exhale, walk your knees forward under your hips, alternating one knee, then the other, one foot, then the other. Maintain a slight pelvic tilt and keep your hips lifted in line with your rib cage. Draw your navel to your spine and keep your inner corset tight. Avoid locking out your elbows. In 15 seconds, bird dog. Base position, right knee on your mat, left leg extended, right arm extended overhead. Bird dog. Find length through the tops of your right fingertips down to your left toes. Inhale to prep. Exhale, round your spine, tucking your chin, elbow to knee. In 15 seconds, knee tuck to extension. Base position, palms at the top of your mat, high plank with your right toes on the mat. Knee tuck to extension. Keep your right toes on the mat with your palms at the top of the mat. Inhale to prep, extending your left leg. Exhale, tuck your left knee to your chin. In 15 seconds, slow bicycle. Base position, lying on your mat with your shoulder blades lifted above your mat. Slow bicycle. Lying on your mat, lift your chest and shoulder blades above your mat. Opposite elbow to knee, keeping your elbows wide. In 15 seconds, hip dips. Base position, low plank. Forearms at the top of your mat, toes at the back of your mat. Hips slightly above your shoulders. Hip dips. Inhale, dropping your hips to your mat. Exhale, lift your hips slightly above your rib cage, pulling your navel to your spine, activating each oblique to lift at center. In 15 seconds, bird dog. Base position, left knee on your mat, left arm extended, and right leg extended. Bird dog. Find length through your left fingertips and right toes. Inhale to prep. Exhale, drive your right knee to your left elbow, tucking your chin and rounding your spine. In 15 seconds, knee tuck to extension. Base position, high plank with your palms at the top of your mat and your left toes at the bottom of your mat. Knee tuck to extension. Inhale to prep, lengthening through your right leg. Exhale, drive your right knee to your chin, tucking your chin with spinal flexion, rounding your back. In 15 seconds, alternating elbow to knee. Base position, arms overhead, legs long, lying on your mat. Alternating elbow to knee. Inhale to prep, lengthening through the fingertips and toes. Exhale, reach opposite elbow to knee. Use momentum if needed, take breaks as needed. In 15 seconds, final exercise, double heel reach, base position, lengthen through your arms and legs lying on your mat. Final exercise, double heel reach. Lengthen through the fingertips and toes. Inhale to prep. Exhale, reach for your heels. To modify, take your legs into a tabletop and do a tabletop curl up. Final 15 seconds. You have so much more left in you. Keep fighting. 10 seconds left. Recover in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. You did it. Great work today completing the 7th day of the 10-day challenge. Thank you so much for sharing your energy with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also follow me on TikTok and Instagram for more content. See you tomorrow.